My name is Harsh and in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Flutter in Mac OS. So let's get to the video. So for installing Flutter, firstly we need to download the Flutter SDK. So for downloading the Flutter SDK, you can directly open your default browser or any browser present in your iOS device and search Flutter iOS installation. Next you can go to the first link, after which you can scroll down and you can see Flutter macOS stable.zip file. That is a Flutter SDK available for macOS, so you can download it directly by clicking this button. I have already downloaded it here, so I'm not gonna download this again, and I'll be clicking on this close. Once it is downloaded, you need to open it in your file or in your folders which are available. Also you need to open a terminal side by side. Now what you need to do is you need to go into the folder in which this is available. So I'll be going into the downloads folder where it is available. You can see that here Flutter is available. So now the next thing which you need to do is you need to go into this terminal and you need to enter this command here. So this is a command which we need to enter to fix the path of the Flutter SDK for this terminal itself. Now I'll be checking if Flutter is present or not. So when I type which Flutter, it shows that the path of the Flutter which is available here. So we can also check this by running Flutter Doctor. So now what it is doing is it is finding the command line developer tools for Flutter and Dart. So as you can see here that it is installing some packages, and later it is building the Flutter tools after the download is completed. So let's wait for it. You can see that it has shown that it cannot find Flutter Doctor, so I'll be running the command. Oh, so there was a typo error in this. Now when I have entered this command, it is downloading some packages or stuff required for the Flutter. So we'll wait for it. So when you have run this command, you can see that what all it shows, that the Flutter is successfully installed, but it cannot find the Android location or the Android devices which are to be made or to be installed. It also cannot find the Xcode. Android Studio is also not installed, and there is no available devices at a moment. So it basically shows you that Flutter is installed, but we need to install some other things along with Flutter for starting Flutter development. So that is it for this video.